Okay, today I'm going to show you how to put together the Rocket full-size 5-piece drum kit. This one's in black. So in the box you get your drum heads, you've got all the drum shells, and then sticks and your bits of hardware for the shells. In your second box is all your stands. And cymbals. Snare drum. Bits of hardware, including the stool. Once you've got everything out of the box, the first thing you probably want to do is put the drum heads on the shells. With the kick drum, you've got this one with the logo on it, so you kind of want to have that pointing upwards. To do that, you want to line it up with this. This is where the rack toms go in, and as well, this is the front, where the logo is facing, just so you don't get it backwards. So I'll pop this on here. You want to pop the drum head on its own and then pop this rim over. And what these are around here that I've already kind of put on, you get these sort of clamps and these screws. Line them up with these bits here, and with the drum key that's provided, just want to tighten that up. And then go to the opposite side, do the same, just so the tension's all kept fairly even. And then just go around doing the same thing. And then do the same with the head to the back of it. Okay, from there you do the exact same thing with the 3 toms. Okay, once you've put the drum heads on, we can start kind of assembling the kick drum here. So first, pop the legs on just to make sure it doesn't move anywhere. And to do that, I mean, you just loosen this wing nut, pop the leg in, and tighten it back up. And then do the same with the other side. From there you'll want to pop these things that hold the rack toms just into this bit at the top again. It's all wing nuts, you just loosen them and tighten them back up once you've got it in the right position. Do the same with both of them. So once you've got everything on the kick drum, we can start putting the toms on to these bits here that we put on. So they just connect via this bit, which slides on to the little pipe there, and you just tighten this wing nut. And you're going to just want to make sure that it is in the position that you want it. Then you can do the same with the other one. Okay, so now we'll put the tom drum sort of up. You put these legs into these little holders here. Of course, this is how you can adjust the height, so it is the right height for you. And just do that same thing on the other two. we go. So now we'll sort of set the snare stand up. It comes in these two little bits. You just pop the top one into this bottom one here and tighten the nut, and then just fold the legs out, and should be near enough ready. You want to tighten that back up just so it stays stable. Get these arms all folded out, and then the snare just pops on top like that. But next we'll pop the main crash cymbal stand up. Legs all fold out, sit similar to the snare stand. You just want to take this nut off the top with the top felt and washer, because they're going to go on top of the cymbal. Get your crash cymbal, which is the bigger of the two, well, bigger of the three. Pop it on there, just pop that felt and washer back on, and tighten it back up. We don't want it too tight because then it just doesn't sound right. So, there we go, that's done. Right, now we'll put the hi-hat stand up, again with similar to the other stands, just fold the legs out. It's got this foot pedal. You want to move these little metal bits into the holes just to keep it a bit more sturdy. Take this pole here, and it screws into one that is already sort of in the stand, so you just pop that in there. And then get the top bit of the stand and slide that over the top. Make sure there's some good clearance of this pole here, and tighten that up. From here you'll put the bottom hi-hat on like that, and with the top you take the clutch here, sort of unscrew this plastic bit, take that and the felt off, and pop that part through this cymbal here, pop the felt back on, and the little plastic screw here. Get that all put together, and then all you do is pop that over the top here, give it a little bit of relief, and tighten that up. So now that's all working fine. Okay, now we've put the kick pedal together. So first, just to stabilise it all, take these metal things and pop them in their sort of corresponding holes here. And then that stabilises everything. Then you'll take the actual beater, pop it in this little part here, and you just tighten that up with the drum key. And then it's all ready to be used. Right, now we'll put the drum stool together. Again, similar to the other stands, just fold the legs out, and tighten that up. Put this next bit on here, just this little bolt here just kind of sits in like this. And again, tighten that up, you don't want to be falling off the seat. And then the top just goes on, again, very similar. And there you go, that's done.